American muscle to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Convertible. Big block power underneath the hood. 454. That's paired up with a 7R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. So it should be a nice one going down the road. Power steering, power brakes, power top. Let's check out this front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Rally stripes and then a dark green metallic. Cool color on this car. Of course, the white stripes. Something else to remember, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. If you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the rally style wheels. Center caps, beauty rings. Black vinyl interior, bench seat up front. Seat belts still intact. Top is black vinyl. We'll run that up here at the end of the video, let you check that out. Power top functions as it should, and it's also in very nice shape. Like I said, we'll show you that at the end of the video. You'll also be able to see the pictures of this car with the top up, top down. Take a look at the undersides on it too when you're in the still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be available for that extendable warranty protection plan too. Check with your sales associates. Rally stripe in the rear, and you can see paint shows well on this one. Maybe a couple just little small touch-ups. There was one on the front hood on the white stripe, but other than that, not much for nicks, dings, or scratches. There was one little small right back here, one little spot, and then like I said, a little one on the hood. But overall, this one definitely shows nice. Show you that while I'm up here before we start it up. Just a little one right there if you'd even see it. And wait till you hear how this big block sounds. This one will turn some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let's go ahead and fire it up. It's going to take a little bit to warm it up. Have had the wipers working, blower fan working, did not get the AM/FM cassette player to power up. Electric fuel pump. A few things you're going to see underneath the hood when we get there. It does have a Holley 4-barrel, Offenhauser intake manifold, headers and Flowmaster exhaust if you look at the underside pictures, and HEI ignition. Electric fuel pump. Pump up a bit. I'm gonna let this warm up just a bit here. Big block's gonna idle better once it's warmed up. Check out the top of the dash. Slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. We'll get the hood open so we check out that engine bay, see how it looks underneath there. Get a look under the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There's that 454. Again, headers, Offenhauser intake, HEI ignition, Holley 4-barrel car, power steering, power brakes, and Flowmaster exhaust. Battery disconnect up front here. Aluminum radiator to keep it cool. All right. Now you've seen the engine bay, know how it sounds. Let's go ahead and put this convertible top up and check that out. We'll wrap this video up. And let's take a look at the top. Nice fit above the windshield. Black vinyl appears as though it's new. Rolled the windows up so you can see how nice they fit. No rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. What you'd expect from looking at the rest of this car. Passenger side, also looking good. And as you can see, nice fit with the side windows over on this side also. No surprises on the top. There you go, a little Chevy Muscle from 1971. Chevelle Malibu convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the pics, over 100 pictures of this car online. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. This is a green with a white racing stripe. It looks really good. It is a convertible. I'm not seeing a blinker indicator, but our oil pressure gauge under the dash is working well, as is the temperature. Really strong runner, excellent exhaust sound. Straight down the road. I don't feel a pull either direction. No tire vibration to speak of. Our temperature is running about 180 right now. Oil pressure is at 40. Windshield wipers work. Speedometer works. The gear shift indicator sticks around neutral even when you're moving it, but it shifts fine. On high. Really strong running Chevelle. It sounds great. Brakes work good. Let's hit the throttle one more time here. Chevelle Malibu. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.